Dentist. Dentist. The dentist will see you now. Appointment. Appointment. I scheduled an appointment for next week. Checkup. Checkup. I have a dental checkup today. Tooth. Tooth. I have a toothache. Anesthetic. Anesthetic. We'll apply a local anesthetic before the procedure. Braces. Braces. You might need braces to align your teeth. Invisalign. Invisalign. I am considering getting Invisalign. Tartar. Tartar. I need tartar removed from my teeth. Implant. Implant. I need a dental implant to replace my missing tooth. Decay. Decay. I have some tooth decay. Root canal. Root canal. I may need a root canal treatment. Brush. Brush. Use a soft bristle brush for your teeth. Floss. Floss. Don't forget to floss daily. Gum. Gum. I think my gums are swollen. Cavity. Cavity. I have a cavity that needs filling. 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 I need a filling for my cavity. Crown. Crown. I need a crown for my broken tooth. Extraction. Extraction. I have to get a tooth extraction. Cleaning. Cleaning. I am here for a dental cleaning. X-ray. X-ray. I need to get a dental X-ray. Plaque. Plaque. I have plaque buildup on my teeth. Sensitivity. Sensitivity. I have sensitivity in my teeth. Bleeding. Bleeding. I experience bleeding when I brush my teeth. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. I use mouthwash to keep my mouth fresh. Wisdom tooth. Wisdom tooth. I need to have my wisdom tooth removed. Incisor. Incisor. I chipped my front incisor. Molar. Molar. I have a cavity in my molar. Conversation at the dentist. Hi, welcome to Bright Smiles Dental. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 2 p.m.
Great. Can I have your name, please?
Sure. My name is Henry.
Thank you, Henry. Please have a seat in the waiting area, and we'll call you shortly.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Henry. Dr. Smith is ready to see you now. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Hi, Henry. How are you doing today?
Hi, Dr. Smith. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. What brings you in today?
I'm here for a routine checkup and cleaning.
All right, let's take a look. Have you had any issues with your teeth or gums lately?
Yes, I have some pain in my lower right molar.
Okay, I'll take a closer look at that. Let's get started with the examination.
Yeah,
Everything looks good. Just remember to floss daily and brush at least twice a day. However, you do have a small cavity starting. We should schedule a filling soon.
got it. Thank you, Dr. Smith.
You're welcome, Henry. The receptionist will help you schedule your next appointment.
Okay.
Hi, Henry. Are you all set?
Yes, just need to settle the bill.
Sure. Your total comes to $120. Will you be paying with card or cash?
I'll pay with card.
Great. Here's your receipt. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.